So we're starting now with a normal number, 6986, and we want to say, is it this one or this one or this? It's multiple choice. So here's an example of a multiple choice question, right? You can't type in bars and dots. So I made this one multiple choice. This way it'll be on the real exam. How do we do that? This is a little more tricky. I don't know if you remember. It's always harder to go this way.
Close the door.
How are we going to do this? How are we going to change this Mayan number, this normal number, I should say, back into Mayan, 6986. Let me come down here and try that for you. So 6986, did I copy that right? Yeah, 6986 to Mayan. Well, remember, you have to write out the foreign place values first off. You have to say, okay, what are the place values? And remember, it's the 8,000s place and the, what was it, the 400s place, the 20s place, and the ones place. So just have those right on your note sheet like that. Okay. So those are the places. There's a little bit. Okay, now how do we do this? Do you remember? How am I going to start with this number?
Subtract 8,000.
What do we do?
Subtract 8,000.
No, remember
But divide.
We're trying to represent the number 6,986. Notice it's not even 7,000.
You divide 400.
Pieces, right? How many 8,000 pieces do I need to make this number? None, right? Remember, you start at the biggest place. We don't start down here at the 1. So you guys are right to start at the top, but we don't need any 8,000s, do we? You don't need any 8,000s to make 6,986. So we skip that and we start here, don't we? Start at the biggest place. Let me write that. Start at the biggest place.
You divide it by 400.
Needed. Yeah, so then what do we do with the 6,986?
Divide.
Divide. We say, how many 400s go in there? How many 400s do we need to make the number 6,986? That's what we're trying to figure out, right? So I take my calculator, which is not my cell phone, and I divide, and I get 17.465. I don't care about the decimal. I just grab the 17 and I go, we need 17 400s. That's how many times 400 goes in there, 17 times. So I need 17 400s. And then, remember what you do? You figure out what is 17 times 400. That is 6,800. So you subtract 6,800 because you just represented 6,800. What are you left with? 186 left to go. Is coming back? Remember this? So you start at the biggest place that you need. I didn't need any 8,000s. So I started right here at the 400s place. And I divided. I said I need 17 400s. And 17 400s, I multiplied. That's 6,800. So subtract 6,800. And after subtracting 6,800, that leaves 186 left to go. So now, what do I do with the 186?
Divide by 20.
Yeah, now you divide by the next place. So you take 186 and you divide by 20. You're saying, how many 20s go in there? How many 20s do I need to make 186? I'm coming out with 9.3. Again, you don't care about the decimal. Grab the whole number, say we need 9 20s. And how much is 9 times 20? 180. Yeah. So then subtract 180. That's 6 left to go. That's your last spot. We need 6 ones, which will make it. If you add these up, you can double check. It'll come out 6,986. We've done it. We've made the Mayan number 6,986. and 86. Now, how do we actually write them as Mayan symbols? Well, remember how to make, we'll start down here at the bottom. How do we make the 6? It's a 5 and a 1, right? Bar and a dot. That's 6. 9 is a bar and 4 dots. There's our 9. 17 is bar, bar, bar. 3 bars. That's 5, 5, 5, and 2 dots, 17. So there's the Mayan number. There it is. There's the 6,986 of the Mayan system. Let's go back and find it on the multiple choice option. So I'm looking for a bar and a single on the bottom. Let me start there. Bar and a single on the bottom. Let's see if I can, yeah, I can put them all on the screen here at once. There we go. So a bar and a single on the bottom. Oh, it's looking like this one, isn't it? Yeah, there it is exactly. That's it. You see it? There it is. So we got it. So that's how we convert to Mayan. So you might, probably this is a good reminder of your need to review these things on that.